There's a fucking dick up there. There's like, there's actually 3 dicks up there.
There's a couple of dicks up there.
Dude, just do auto.
I want to get a picture of all of us on my phone.
No, I'm on video. I'm saying it's too dark for an actual video. I got some fucking dumb memories. I got your dumb memories right here. Yeah. That sucks, man. I wish I brought my other camera now, you fucking jerk.
What other camera?
Matt didn't want me to bring a camera tonight, so I didn't bring the camera tonight, and we're bringing the camera tonight. So here's to respecting women. So, went to match basketball party last night. We couldn't really film too much of that. Now we're at Wildwood, car show. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I didn't go to sleep till 7 this morning. But here we are. That's fucking cool, man. Decontamination apparatus. Holy blower. I didn't record everything, I'm tired as fuck. We're rolling out now, look. Yeah.
Yeah, like, cause everybody's just bitch.
Oh.
Cool bitch, man. Cool bitch. You are
Take a nice stroll on the boardwalk. Got some drinks. Doing our thing. I'm having like some crazy flashbacks. This was the first one I ever did. My ear. I got my ear pierced. I was 16 years old. My stepdad was like, yo, if you can last through the last stage of this, boom, you can get your ear pierced. Look, you gotta hold on to the things. I'm sure you know what it is, and it buzzes you, and it gets harder and harder as you go up. And then when you win, the smoke comes out of his ears and shit. And my stepdad said, if you can do it all the way to the end, you can get your ear pierced. Dude, look at all these old ass games. This is the best place in the world right now. No? Alright. So I definitely just got yelled at for recording in that place. He was like, please delete the files. Yo, I didn't. But yo.
I didn't. Man, fuck him.
But I was pressing some buttons like I did. But no, after he said that, we saw a paper picture or whatever it said, you have to ask for written permission. So that's a little weird to me, a little sketchy, but whatever. That's where we're at here. That was really weird, really sketchy. All that shit was stolen. No, I'm just kidding.
Is that? Yeah, when we say don't break it, we're not talking about the glass, we're talking about it.
It's on the wall. I wanted to get away from it all.
I don't remember, dude. I think Justin did, actually. Look at this shit. Dude, it's packed. It's like a fucking, there's a fucking dick up there. There's like, there's actually 3 dicks up there.
I think there's a couple of
Yeah.
things up there.
What, baby? I don't know either. Am I in trouble? Am I in trouble? What we're doing now is waiting for the pizza place people to leave. Because they dump all the pizza in a bag, big bag pizza. It's free, it's me. So we've been sitting here for a half an hour waiting for free fucking pizza. Over than that. Over than that? 45 minutes. 45 minutes?
I think we upped it now.
Alright, we've been waiting for an hour for free pizza. And we're all just sitting here. Dude, I don't know what they're doing. I think they're waiting for us, waiting for them, waiting for us. That's what I think's happening.
You got caught in paradox.
We I seen, look at this, dead ass boardwalk. Boardwalk is fucking dead. And we're literally waiting for pizza. We've seen some shit out here. We've seen the cops come, dude punched a bitch. And by bitch, it don't necessarily mean it was a woman, but what else do we see?
Yeah, some racial profiling.
They stopped 2 other dudes for some racial profiling. This is some wild shit out here. Long story short, it's a good night. It's a good night. Alright, so now we're faced with this option. Pizza or Challenger? I take Challenger, let's go. I got this. Could you imagine if you're working and you're how bad would you be? I can't believe pizza became so difficult. So that was a pretty interesting weekend. It's real tough to film when I have the kids. I know that's an excuse, but it is. I like to spend time with my kids when I bring them places. So I didn't get as much video as I'd like to, and I couldn't film the bachelor party, so that took a chunk out of my video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it big time. If you guys can hit that like and subscribe button, it'll let you know when I put out new videos. I'll see you next weekend.